want to talk about the most important people in our life. Our parents. They are the heroes who have given us life, love, and support without condition. Our parents have sacrificed so much from us, from their time, energy, and money, just to make us happy and successful. They have been our role model, showing us how to be good people, how to work hard, and how to face life's challenges. But how do we forget to thank them, to appreciate their sacrifice, and to give them the love and attention they need? So today, I want to urge you all to appreciate your parents, to thank them, and to give them the love and attention they need. So today, I want to because at the end of the day, our parents are the most precious treasure in our life. Thank you, mom and dad. I love you.